Is that we are here to monitor, to see that people are in compliance with the Disaster Management Act. If that is done, then we're fine. Then we've got no issues.
South Africans, wake up. You are wrong. But today I'm going to speak as always. Mensen, ons is nog gat vol. We are enough. I want to send this message to the President of South Africa, Mr. Ramaphosa. My name is Peter. You know, when I went to Union Building, you ran away. You sent your delegates must come to speak to me. I am not in a political party, in an organization. I'm here to speak on behalf of South Africans. I'm here to speak the truth. And let me tell you, Mr. Ramaphosa. Let me tell you, Mr. Ramaphosa. I'm coming. Met Afrikaans ek kom by jou. Met jou taal, kia tla mo ho wena. Diyaza kuwe. And all the South Africans, they are tired. As you see now, they are tired. They are not going to ban or loot, but they are going to speak the truth.
Police, I ask you today, I know that you guys have been briefed. I know that you guys have instructions. And I understand that because you guys have to answer to your superiors. But I ask you today, from one person to another, look past your uniform. Look past your instructions. We are not harming anybody. If anything, we are speaking truth from one human to another. Put your caps down and join us. Put your caps down. Join us. This is freedom for all. This is no lockdowns for all. We know that in your heart of hearts, we know that you feel the same way. We know you feel the same.